Hi friends, this is NMK Vijay and welcome to my pre-market predictions for Nifty using Elliott wave theory with one stock. So before we get into this analysis, this is my disclaimer, read carefully, and I'm uploading today itself because I got on work stuck with work. I need to take a class for peoples, so weekend classes. So I'm just uploading today itself. So let's move on to SGX Nifty. So here, what we expected, it is already doing that same thing, and I expected at least 17,100 and below the closing, but it didn't happen. It's still it is doing, and the weekly candle, it shows looking like a little bit bullish. So just have a look on the weekly candle. It's looking like a bullish, but wait and see. And I'm looking for the triangle here. As I said in the previous, this is the third wave and this could be the fourth wave. So 1, 2, 3, and we are in the fourth wave. It could be a irregular flat or it could be a triangle, and then the breakout for the fifth wave, nearly for my target of 19,500. That is my path, prediction path for this SGX Nifty. So according to that, if we work, and I informed that also in the today itself, that sharp fall can happen yesterday, and I said in the Nifty also exactly did the same thing. One second, I just look at this. I draw yesterday itself, and it perfectly it did that same thing. So here also I said the same thing. You just have a look. Or it could be A B C, and from here it's A B C, perfect A B C. Later onwards, this is the A, this is the B, and C looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So what else you need? This is the W, this is the X, or this could be the A, this could be the next to what I am expecting in that SGX Nifty, then B and then C. So this is the thing what we discussed yesterday. So now it perfectly it came to that zone, the previous support zone, and it's looking like bouncing. So if we look in that SGX Nifty, so we will come to this conclusion zone. I will just delete all those things. So here and we have to make this as a stop loss, the previous low, and I'm expecting, sorry, yeah, from here this is the invalidation. From here it is a bullish, and I'm expecting a triangular path here. So in that 15 minutes, here's 1, 2, 3, so one more 3, and this is a 3. So one flat correction is got completed. So that we have to make it as a W. So this could be the X wave here. Later onwards, this is the 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Otherwise, if we took this as a fifth also, it can be, but this is an aggressive drop here. In the 15-minute chart, there is no bouncing here also in this zone. So that is why I kept this as a, this as a B, C. So whether this could be the irregular flat also. So one more down is also possible. And this is our bullish trend line. So whether this is a W here, X, A, B, C is completed here, means this is a bigger W, and this part could be the connecting wave, and I'm expecting one more three-way structures to reach this zone, this or here. It depends upon according to here. This wave price action we need to watch on Monday. So this is my view in SGX Nifty and Nifty also the same plan, nothing changed so far. So this should be the place as a stop loss for the invalidation. And for me it looks like same WX, A is completed, we are in the B wave, and one more to the high of 17,733 within this zone, or it could be a little bit down to this zone here, it can enter again that 17,650 zone I'm expecting. So later once we can already update it. So this is my view in Nifty also. So the next here, it's we are talking and we are going to go to analysis for that one stock is GAIL, and this is my weekly wave count. So here it's looking like a one three-way structure. So this A, B, C is got completed. Again, one A, B, and C is got completed, or it could be here also. It has be an irregular flat formation. So here is ABC is a ABC is a B, and one C. So this whole thing is a W pattern. Later onwards, it's also the three-way structure. So whether we can make it this as a X, this as a, so this is an irregular flat for the B, and that C is got completed. So this is my longer term and wave count for this positional chart for the GAIL. Later onwards, one, see this one structure is got completed in the formation of WXY. So for the impulsive way, a lot of people is asking for the impulsive, we have to start with 1, 2, 3 means. It is not like that. The pattern and the structure we have to watch. It could be like the 3-3-way connecting structure also. So we have to first of all understand the structure, what kind of structure it is doing. So now one W is got completed. That means one set of correction or in the impulsive wave in the 3-3-way structure is got completed. After that also one 3-way structure is got completed. The 5-way structure is got completed here as an same W, X, Y, X, Z. Like that it looks like for me. It's, see, this all we can make it this as a B, or C is a W, X, Y, or this could be the W, X, A, B, C. See, whatever we can make it, but the main thing here, it's a major support zone here. It's a here. Everything I will correlate it to this, and then the wave count is also correlating, means I will took it. So for this, whether, and one doubt is whether it is from start from here to here is the end, or this is the end of that W, and this could be the X also in that running flat, and we already completed the A. So now we are in the B. Once the B way is got completed, I am looking for that C way. So this is the path for this GAIL. So we will just look for that 4-hour chart. So as I said, whether this is the end of the X wave, whether this WX, or in that running flat correction, this could be the W, this could be the W, so this could be the X also. And we need a Y way to break above this 200. That is my target for this pattern. So in the previous also, I already updated my chart in the previous, but I'm not updating here now. So I have a lot of work, so I didn't update it. So for this is a B, and a C. It could be this could be the W, and I'm expecting for the X way. And this alternative view is this could be the 1, this could be the 2nd, and this could be the 3rd. And if it is bound from here, that could be the 4th and 5th I expected, but it's already achieved my target about this. But even though I'm not so satisfied this wave count, this view, because if it is be in like somewhat, I'm expecting that 5-way structures, the complete 5-way structures, or it could be the wedge formation, like such a kind of pattern I expected, but it failed to make here. Even though if it is break the high, means this wave count is not that is not the perfect view here. This what I expected, even though the target is reached, but my view is entirely, it's got invalid for this view. So this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 means it is not like that. So what I have to do here is 1, 2, so 3 is got completed here itself. The previous I got an already, I uploaded that. So this is the 3rd, and this is the 4th, and here also the 5th way is got completed. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This is the perfect. I already did like this only, but even though I have a little bit doubt because of the Nifty, it seems like that bullish scenario. That is why I changed my count. It could be like this, but even though if it is achieved my target, I am not so satisfied. Now the wave count has been changed. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is already got completed. One impulsive wave. Later on, this is the A, this is the B, and this is the C. So we can make it this as a W, X, Y. If it is a A, this is the B, means we need a 5-way structures to complete. So that means maybe one more low can happen. Otherwise, if it is a W, this is a X, means A, B, C is already completed and it has to shoot. I'm already having a position at 130. I bought it here itself. So I'm looking for the target nearly 200 to break. This target has, this previous high has to break. But mind this is an investment stock. I'm looking for one ABC set of one ABC is got completed. I'm looking for that C wave in very fast movement. But if it is a little bit doing consolidations like that, and even though if Nifty it's breaches that 19,500 and it is not going at, means there is a lot of chances for making such a kind, and it can reach this zone and later onwards it can shoot. So that means this could be ABC is a connecting wave, it's a W, and this could be the connecting wave and ABC. So mind this, this can happen. Either the one simple correction is got completed, it can shoot from here. Otherwise, if even though if it is Nifty is reached 19,500 zone, and if it is struggling to break this zone, we must have to book the profit, or it can be a trial stop loss like that. So later onwards one 3-way structure can happen. So this is my view in GAIL. So once if it reaches the 100, I need to buy. Otherwise, once it reaches the 167, we need to big a trail stop loss as in a mind. Otherwise, it can shoot from here. The price action from here, it can be a see in this, it's an aggressive move. So let's wait for this to convert into the impulsive wave. Such a kind, what kind of wave formation it is doing. So I bought it 130 on the Friday itself. So let's wait for the for the impulsive wave, for the C wave. So this is not a W now, and this is not a X. So one complete structure as a is got completed, and again we are in the B wave. So this is A, this is a B. I'm expecting for the C, but whether the B is completed or not, we have to look for that. Once it completed only, it is getting ready for the show. So even though we expecting the lot of complex correction, it could be like simple also. This one A, B, C, and then from here also it can shoot for the C wave. So this lot of options is there for the B wave. So it can do that irregular flat formation also. It can break the high and then immediately it can do like such a kind. Or it could be a triangle. And if it is doing like this, this is a regular flat correction. So in the B, even though one simple correction got completed, what we have to do, we must apply what our analysis. That's the thing we need to do as per our analysis. So this is my analysis, and my target is 220 and above. So one follower asked about the idea. So I just went for the look, but that is not in my watch list. So don't bias blindly on this. There is a very big drop from 123, and after that some fundamental news is about the Vadafone and idea is merged, right? So that is what it's a little bit bullish even though. And if you look into this, it's somewhat looking like the 5-way structure has got completed. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this could be the triangle also here, and 1/5 way is got completed here. After that also the perfect, it looks like a 3-way structure, and here also it's looking like a 3-way structure. So whether it is going to shoot from here, in my experiences it won't be, but sometimes I may be wrong. You know very well, if you are following me a one year, what we expected it won't do market. So there is a chances for making such a kind, because it's already broken the high. So this could be the irregular flat formation. Either this could be a 1 or 2, or this could be the 1 or 2, and it could be converted into the bullish also. It could be, but there is a chances for making such a kind to reach this zone, the previous or this zone, in the irregular flat formation. This wave sorry, such a wave can happen here. Yeah, that is what the 7 rupees and 40 paise. So it looks like a S bank, but even though I'm just the people who follow me, and he is asking my idea. So this is my idea in idea, Vadafone idea. So this could be the 1, this could be the 2, or it could be that some irregular flat formation can happen, and after then it can shoot. So the stop loss is nearly, this is the one stop loss. So that means we have to kept in mind, if you are invested, we have to risk the whole amount what you invested in this. So this is my analysis. So thanks a lot, and have a nice weekend to everybody, and we will see you on Monday for the pre-market predictions. Bye.